In this video, I'm going to show you how to get water in one's human. This is actually very easy. All you have to do is run up to a water source. So for me, as you can see, I have one right here next to my location. And as you can see, it will say collect dirty water. Now, if you're near the coast, near the sea, it will say collect salt water, but that doesn't matter, both work. You then want to click G, and as you can see, it will start collecting dirty water. On the left, it will say dirty water plus 15, and so on. Now, once you're doing this, once you've done that the way through, you have to go over here to your base, to your territory, and then you want to go and create yourself a stove, okay? So that's the easiest way to get it, to create a stove. Just unlock it and then build it. And then inside the stove, you will see that you can get boiling water. And for the boiling water, you need dirty water and logs. And you can simply press craft, and it will craft yourself a boiled water. As you can see, then you simply click on it, and it will simply get placed into your inventory. And then you want to press I, and inside your inventory, you'll be able to see water. And you can consume it by pressing F. And as you can see, I have just hydrated myself all the way to the end. Let me click it again. There we go, because I've pressed it again. And then that's pretty much it. That's how you get water in one's human. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.